Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Chainlink. We're also going to be taking a look at price analysis as well as a few other big things. So if you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. And I want to know down below, what is your favourite cryptocurrency at the moment? With that, let's jump straight into the video. Just quickly, there is still an active giveaway on this channel until tomorrow's video. Sunday the 30th of August is when the winner will be announced. If you want a chance to win the world's most secure notebook for crypto passwords, then simply like the video, be subscribed and comment down below. If you guys are looking to buy one for yourselves, I have a discount code for you. It is STONE15 at checkout. If you apply that, then you will get 15% off on your order. I'm going to leave all of the details in the description and in the pinned comment section down below. So we'll start off by taking a look at the market as a whole. Overall, the market does look like it is bouncing back from the bad couple of weeks that we have had, but in my opinion, they were very good buying opportunities. Bitcoin at $11,533, Ethereum at $402, Chainlink at $16.20, and even Cardano has bounced back to 11 cents, which again is very, very good in my opinion. Now, the first thing that I am going to show you before we jump into any news, and it should give you some reassurance. Now personally, I want to show you this because I think it should give some of you out there some reassurance that this market is a roller coaster of emotions. Now it says, remember there was like 20% retraces in the 2017 bull run. All of your emotions are going to get effed with. And then someone replied saying 8 in fact, and most were more than 20%. And so that is what we have got to deal with in this market. It is a roller coaster of emotions, trust me. But if you can overcome and learn to manage your emotions, trust me, that is what will be the difference in this space. Do not chill out just because of a 20% correction. The fact it is only 20% is a good thing in my opinion, but do not be shaken out for a simple 20% correction, because in history this has happened multiple times. The important part is bouncing back, and so far historically it has done that every time. So I hope this is giving you some reassurance in some way. We're now going to jump on to the latest news to do with Chainlink, and the first article in my opinion is pretty big news. And this article says Chainlink acquires a privacy preserving Oracle protocol from Cornell University. One of the men who coined the term proof of work to join as chief scientist. Chainlink has acquired a privacy-preserving Oracle protocol, Deco, from Cornell University, and one of its creators, Ari Jules, will be joining Chainlink as chief scientist. Previously, Jules served as a chief scientist at RSA and has been teaching at Cornell University since 2014. One of the premier blockchain hubs in the world, he is taking a sabbatical to focus on his work at Chainlink. Along with his research partner Marcus Jacobson, he coined the term proof of work. And it also says down here, Deco employs advanced cryptography and zero-knowledge proofs to provide enhanced privacy to its users. In a Cointelegraph interview, Chainlink's co-founder Sergey Nazarov said the integration of Deco will not only increase the security of the project's infrastructure, but will potentially create new use cases. He said Deco-enabled Chainlink oracles will have a big implementations for smart contracts across enterprise, consumer, and even DeFi applications. Basically, any smart contract that will be previously limited by private data will soon be able to function on a public blockchain like Ethereum without revealing any confidential information to the blockchain. Now, in my opinion, I think this is big news because every single day Chainlink are growing on such a big scale. They are getting in the places they need to be. Now, we also have at the minute, we have SmartCon going on. I'll quickly talk about this, announcing the Smart Contract Summit, SmartCon powered by Chainlink. And there are some very big names going and talking there, including Sergey, including Ari Jules. So we have got some very big names talking in there. They are simply going to be talking about Chainlink and the future of it. And this could have a price reflection in my opinion, because there are some very big things to come. Maybe staking will get announced. A lot of people are saying not to expect too big of things, but there are rumors that staking could possibly get announced, but we will just have to wait and see what happens. I will keep you updated. We are having big names from Microsoft talking in there as well. We have integrations. It's basically talking about the future of Chainlink, and that is why I generally think Chainlink has so much potential because this is just the start. The 20% corrections that I showed you in the start of the video, hopefully they will give you some reassurance as to realizing how early we actually are in this space. And the sooner we realize that, the sooner big things will come. We're now going to take a look at a quick little price analysis to do with Chainlink, and it says Chainlink is the 5th largest digital asset with the current market capitalization of 5.1 billion. The coin has lost over 3.8% of its value in the recent 24 hours amid the technical correction of the cryptocurrency market. Link's average trading volume exceeds 1 billion, which is mostly in the line with the long-term average. Link/USD topped at $19.85 on August 16th and has been in a decline ever since. The coin is the native cryptocurrency of a decentralized Oracle network Chainlink that connects smart contracts data with the real world. At the time of writing, Link/USD is changing hands at $14.70. The coin's recovery is limited to psychological $15, reinforced by the upper line of the 1-hour band and 4-hour SMA 50. Once it is out the way, the upside is likely to gain traction with the next focus on $15.50. That served as an upper line to consolidate channel on August 26th and August 27th. Also, it is reinforced by the middle line of the daily band. The next resistance is created by the $16 with a 4-hour SMA 200 located marginally above this level. And if we take a look at its price at the moment, it over the past 24 hours has had a very nice increase and it is now at $16.62. So again, we are back on course. We are hitting those key resistance levels, which is a very important thing to see in my opinion. Now if we take a look down here on the 1-hour chart, you could see that it did look like it was gauged a breakout or a drop, and it ended up breaking out, which is a very good thing to see. It says down here on the long-term picture, Link/USD is locked in a tight range with an upper boundary at $16. A sustainable move above this area is needed for the upside to gain traction, with the next focus on $19 and the all-time high of $19.85. On the downside, the critical support comes at $13, August 21st low. And so far, if we take a look again, we are above those levels. So the levels we have got hit now is $19. That's the next test. But again, we are staying above the important levels, which is a very important thing to see. Chainlink is on a bit of a run at the minute. How high will it continue? Can we break its all-time high? I don't know, but I'm very, very excited to see what happens over the next couple months. Let your thoughts be known down below because I want to know how excited you are for the next 12 months as well. Now this is the last article I want to show you before we take a look at the Bitcoin stock to flow to see how on course we actually are. Now this article says Oasis Network announces Chainlink Oracle integration to enable privacy-focused DeFi applications. Oasis Network, a privacy-centric data sharing network, said it will integrate Chainlink's price feeds into its network. According to a press statement emailed to CoinDesk, Oasis will initially use Chainlink's price reference data to provide valuation to support tokens used in Oasis decentralized finance DeFi applications. The statement adds that the integration of this data will also allow Oasis Network to maintain the integrity of off-chain information used to augment smart contract applications built on its network. In a recent announcement, cryptocurrency exchange Binance had said it was launching the CryptoSafe Alliance, a platform to prevent cryptocurrency fraud, in a partnership with Oasis Labs, a data privacy company and one of the firms developing the Oasis network. Now, in my opinion, this is very big news because it just shows how much Chainlink are growing and how many companies want to join Chainlink. What we're going to see in the next year or two is we're going to see some very big adoption, in my opinion. You already have Swift Bank and you already have Microsoft on their side. You are going to see a very, very big amount of companies, and some of the top companies in the world in the next year or two also get into the crypto space. And when that happens, that is when the floodgates will open and the money will pour in. Now this is the Bitcoin stock to flow. I want to show you this because it has unbelievable amount of accuracy, and so far it is perfectly on course, which is quite scary in my opinion. So far this is what it is doing, and if we take a look here, these are the red dots that are scattered about. If we have a look here, it is going up and up and up. So far it is on course perfectly, and if I zoom in here Again, this is the weekly stock to flow, the official Bitcoin stock to flow by Plan P. He does his on a monthly basis. I think this one is done on a weekly basis. I'm not 100% sure, but so far this one is just under, but I'm pretty sure on the monthly it is perfectly on course. So far everything is going according to plan, and you have got to imagine what happens when we see these prices of 20,000, even 15,000. When we see 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, and then a potential $100,000 Bitcoin would be absolutely incredible. What we have to realize is history shows if Bitcoin does do that, the rest of the market does follow. So again, there are people that are predicting Ethereum could be about 8,000 to 10,000. If that happens, then Jesus, then Chainlink could be about $1,000 potentially, or even $400. You have got a lot of potential and a lot of money to come in this market. So hold tight, be patient, and that is what will make you a winner in this space. Ladies and gentlemen, that is everything I've had for you today. If you've enjoyed anything I've brought to you, do not forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more, as it really helps my channel out. Do not forget about this giveaway or the discount code that I have. It is STONE15 if you want to grab yourself one. With that, I've been Crypto Nobes. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.